Ever find yourself drowning in a sea of receipts, wondering if there's a better way? Like, a really better way? You're not alone. And chances are, you've stumbled across Expensify. But that leads to a bigger question. How long has this seemingly magical expense reporting tool been around? Has it just popped up, or is it a seasoned veteran in the world of financial tech? Let's be honest, in the fast-paced world of software and apps, longevity matters. It tells you something about a company's staying power, its ability to adapt, and its commitment to its users. You don't want to invest your time and data into a platform that might vanish overnight, right? So, let's dive into the timeline. Expensify wasn't born yesterday. It actually has roots that stretch back to the mid-2000s. Specifically, the company was officially founded in 2008. Think back to that era. The iPhone was just making waves, and cloud computing was gaining traction. It was a time of significant technological shifts, and Expensify was right there, ready to capitalize on those changes. The idea, originally, wasn't some grand, sweeping vision of revolutionizing expense reports. It started with a simple, yet powerful concept, automating the tedious process of tracking and submitting expenses. David Barrett, the founder, recognized the pain points firsthand. He saw the piles of paper, the manual data entry, and the sheer inefficiency of traditional expense management. And he knew there had to be a better way. In those early days, Expensify focused on building a robust platform that could accurately capture and process receipt data. This involved developing cutting-edge technology for optical character recognition, or OCR. If you're not familiar, OCR is the tech that allows computers to read text from images. Imagine snapping a photo of a receipt and the app automatically extracting all the relevant information, date, vendor, amount. That was the core of Expensify's innovation. But simply having a good idea isn't enough. Expensify had to navigate the challenges of a nascent market, build a user base, and prove its value. They did this by focusing on user experience, constantly refining their product, and actively listening to customer feedback. Over time, Expensify evolved from a basic receipt scanning tool to a comprehensive expense management platform. They expanded their features to include integrations with accounting software, automated approval workflows, and even corporate card reconciliation. This evolution allowed Expensify to cater to a wide range of users, from small businesses to large enterprises. Now, let's fast forward. Over the years, Expensify has seen significant growth and has become a major player in the expense management space. They've consistently adapted to the changing landscape, embracing new technologies and addressing emerging user needs. This continuous improvement is a testament to their long-term commitment. So, when you consider that Expensify has been in business since 2008, that's over a decade and a half of experience. That's a significant track record, especially in the tech world. It speaks to their stability, their expertise, and their ability to stay relevant in a rapidly evolving market. They've seen the rise of mobile technology, the explosion of cloud computing, and the increasing demand for automation. Through it all, Expensify has remained a constant, providing a reliable and efficient solution for managing expenses. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.